Okay, so here we are on the unlucky for some day 13 of our advent calendar RC rock crawler build. Now, I already know what's going to come out today. We're on day 13. Yesterday we got 2 tyres. I can almost guarantee we're going to get the other 2 tyres. So let's just crack on. I can't even get into the bloody thing. Yep, I can already see it now. More tyres. Unlike yesterday, I'm not going to make any too tired jokes. I'm really not. I can guarantee the comments in the last video are really going in on me and my humour, which is understandable. It was a terrible joke. But there we are. Right, let's get these tyres on. And there we go. So it's starting to look more and more like an actual rock crawler. I have just noticed that there is a lot of play in these wheels. But then again, it was cheap. What do we expect? But there we are. Let's give the drop test. There's literally no damping in there whatsoever. It's purely just spring. Oh. Anyway, that was a very enjoyable fitting 2 tyres. Day 13. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. See you tomorrow. Anyway, stay amped. Merry Christmas.